Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Finding vertical tangents for this curve is actually super fast if you know the trick. Let's solve this calculus problem together right now. Watch this. Vertical tangents happen when the denominator of our derivative equals 0. Since our slope is x minus y over x plus y, we simply set x plus y equal to 0. That means y must equal negative x for a vertical slope. Now we substitute this back into our original curve equation to see if any real points actually exist there. Plugging that in gives x squared plus 2x squared minus x squared plus 2 equals 0. Simplifying leads to x squared equals negative 1. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given math to find option D.